Welcome back to So Alexa. I have another video for you guys. This one, we are making fabric weight. They also can be used as pin cushions, but these are to hold down the fabric when you are sewing.
I meant to say when you are cutting. I don't know why I keep saying sewing.
I find it very helpful. And honestly, fabric weights can be expensive. Like, sewing can be an expensive hobby. The fabric, the pins, the needles, the threads, the needles, the thread, the needles, the fabric. Like it's all a lot sometimes. So you should always try to save money. And I'm pretty sure, you know, from your projects you have scraps of fabric. You can make fabric weights or something to put your pins in. And these are filled with rice, and these are upcycled from a pair of shorts that I can't fit anymore. So stay tuned to check out how to make that. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials to come. All right, let's get into it.
We'll start by cutting out two 5 by 5 inch squares, or this could be any size that you want per weight. You can also make them square, circular, or triangle shape. The tip here, the heavier the fabric and larger the square, the more weight your pouch will have. Next, we'll place the two pieces right sides together and sew around the 3 full sides and part of the 4th side, leaving a 1.5 to 2 inch opening for turning and filling. I used a 1/2 inch seam allowance to sew around the edges. You can use a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch. Trim off about a 1/4 inch of that seam allowance, as well as those corners, so the pouch won't be as bulky. Turn the pouch right side out through the opening and push out the corners using a blunt tool. Use a funnel or a spoon to fill the pouch with rice, beans, or other filler. I used about a 1.5 cups of rice, and I just made my own funnel using paper. Tuck the raw edges of the opening inside and use clips to hold in place. And then top stitch close to the edge to seal the pouch. And you're all done.